Okay, if you're here, that means that you should have already read with us the story. If you ever want to take a piano to the beach, don't. Okay, so if you haven't listened to the story yet, stop and go listen to the story first, okay? But if you are done with the story, then we are going to work on this packet together. Okay, so I am going to move out of the way here. And with this, at the beginning of the story, I asked you to make a prediction of what was going to happen in this story. So hopefully you did that. Okay. And now we are going to write down what really happened in this story. So what happened in this story? Okay. We had a girl, and what did she do? She wanted to take her piano to the beach, and what ended up happening? Okay, the piano. Well, first it got kind of attacked. What attacked the piano? Okay, seagulls, right? So seagulls attacked the piano. Then what happened? The piano floated away. And the girl found a seashell that she played with. Okay, so those would be the main things that happened in this story. And you can draw pictures there or you can write about it. And then on this next page, go ahead and if you wrote on that first page, then on this next page, do your first, next, then with pictures. Okay, if you did pictures on the first page, first, next, then with sentences so that we have both pictures and sentences. Okay, so you can take the time to do that. Also think, who are the main characters in this story? Okay, we have the girl, we have her mom, we have her brother and sister, and we have seagulls. I think the seagulls count as a character, don't you? Okay, where does it happen? It happens at home and at the beach. So you can fill out your first, next, and last there. Okay, what is the main idea of the story? What was the story mostly about? Okay, it was mostly about, well, I think the title tells you, don't take a piano to the beach. So its main idea, what it's mostly about is why it is a bad idea to take a piano to the beach. Okay, and I want you to think of 3 things that support that main idea. 3 clues from the story that tell you why this is what the story is mostly about. So you can tell me 3 things that happen that cause problems. Okay, and then I want you to choose tell me how much you like this book. Okay, how much did you like this story? You can give it up to 7 stars. These petals have little suns or stars on them. Okay, and you color as many petals as you think this story deserves. So you think it was an awesome story, then do all 7 of them. Okay, if you think it was okay, then maybe you'll do 4. If you think it was better than okay, but not the best story ever, go somewhere in between. If you didn't like it at all, just do the 1. Okay, and write down how many you did. And then on the back, this story is fiction or nonfiction? Which one is it? It is fiction. I know this because blank. Tell me how you know it's fiction. And then you can draw a picture of a clue as to why this is fiction. Have a great day.